What's up, YouTube family? I got something new to show you. I'm excited about it. So I'm walking into work, but I just got these Mythics. Really excited about these, and I'm going to do an unboxing of them in a second. Once I get over to my station, I'm gonna set up and go. I haven't opened them yet. I'm excited. I got the Stylecraft Mythics, and I'll show you what they look like in a second. Okay, what's up, YouTube family? I'm back. I don't even know how close I am. I'm back. I just wanted to show you these clippers. I got this Mythic. I'm really excited about it. So I didn't know. I'm hoping. I've had these for a little while, and sometimes the motor's starting to act a little bit wonky. So I've had them for about 2 years, but it's about time to replace them. I was thinking about getting another pair of seniors, but these Mythics have really been calling my name. I watched a couple different reviews on them, so I just wanted to at least do an unboxing, and I got an appointment in about an hour. So here is the unboxing for the Mythics. I'm gonna take these down. My seniors, they serve me well. I love them. I'll probably do a giveaway video with these, so if you're interested in them, I'll show you the details on that on the next video, telling you how to win them. And it might be in this one too, actually. We got an official box. Magnetic. Hold on one second. So we got the magnetic box, which I'm digging. I paid $200 for them. You can see that. Got the clipper, got the stand, charger station. This is how they came straight from the beauty supply store. I haven't even turned them on yet, so I'll show you what they become like. Well, they're pretty heavy, actually, which is a good thing. About the same weight as the senior, but they feel a little bit like longer. Like it's a metal body for sure, which is what I was looking for. Let's take this off. Let's see what the blade looks like. I'm digging it. Back thumb plate still feels ergonomic. Got the click lever right now, which I'm probably gonna take off because I like to just let it slide. Let's turn them on. It sounds more sophisticated. Like it does. And I can tell it's moving a lot. And I can tell it's moving a lot faster. With click lever. I don't know if this is supposed to open all the way to a 1, but it's looking like it opens further than this wall one so far. Looks like my blade is a little bit crooked too. Don't tell anybody. But yeah, it looks like it's opened a little bit further. I don't know if you can see that. And there's a little delay from when you hit the switch, which is kind of cool. So that's what we got. I'm gonna set both of those down really gently. I got my charging block. I'm assuming you just set this on there like a dock. I got my clear Mythic case, which I'm gonna put on there really soon. I got my charger cable, screwdriver. So maybe it didn't open all the way to the 1. This is my stretch bracket, which I'm also gonna put on there ASAP. A couple guards. It looks like this goes up to a number 5. So I'm assuming I have everything from a 1/2 inch all the way up to a 5 in guard sizes. And here's my user manual and warranty, which I might look over, but I'm not gonna look at that close. So that's everything that came in this box. Just picked these up maybe 20 minutes ago. I'm excited to use them today. I'm gonna go throw that stretch bracket on so I can tell you how it looks.
People typically go to Chicago for everything. There's nothing to do out there unless you're in Chicago. So it makes sense.
Were you in the city?
I was close. I was like 20 minutes outside.
Okay.
So I was in the suburb, but we would go downtown a lot. Indianapolis is weird because like the city's not really live unless sporting events. So like if
So we're going to speed up each recording after we do each individual step. So we're just putting in the fault line right here. But just to show you the steps and what they look like in real time, we're going to slow it back down and then speed it up to finish everything out. So we're going in and debulking right here with our 1.5, but the only thing is the hair that keeps falling onto the blade. It's not really falling off, and it's kind of hard for me to toss it off of my clipper. That's a little bit new to me. Everything other than that has been great. It's been cutting really smoothly. Now, when we cut with it with the grain, we don't have any issues because the hairs can just fall down. If you see that, actually there's a little bit tangled up right there if you can see. But for the most part, they fall down. It cuts through them really smoothly. They just stick in the clipper guards more than they did with the wall for some reason. I'm trying to find a gym out here. They've been kind of keeping me posted. I haven't been inside of one yet that I really like.
I haven't found one yet either. One of my coworkers.
See, what we're doing right here with the half guard is working really smoothly, really quickly. Just taking it off. I know these are pretty sharp and new, so I mean we're just working that corner all the way around and not having any issues. It's looking pretty smooth to me. Basketball, I don't have like one that I like I don't even know. I do like LeBron, but I mean that's the first impression with the number 1 is about the same as the 1/2 card. It's going pretty smoothly. I like how it's working through. We can flick out without any issues. Super sharp, and we can use the corners just like we can, and very powerful and very quiet. What'd you think? Alright, this isn't about the edge up, so we're going to speed this up a little bit so we can get back into the clipper over comb. Clipper over comb is going very well. Super sharp clipper, and you can tell how powerful it is just by how it knocks off the hairs without any resistance from the clipper. So you can see that it's sharp and powerful, but also very quiet. I'm still enjoying it. It's a tiny bit heavy in my hand, but that's something I'm actually looking for so I can know I got enough clipper. And with this freehand trim, I'm just looking to show you how it doesn't pull or move the hairs. It's cutting straight through them very quickly. So if it was pulling or moving them around, that would kind of mess up the image of what I was trying to do, because I wanted to be really precise, and I'm liking what they're doing. I wanted to keep this video pretty short and concise, so let me know what you think. We're about done with the cut. Let me know what you think about the clippers, and I like them so far.